You will sit down there and after you will sit down there and after time spiral binding wala. Sir, you will sit down there half the time you spiral. And then the test is the other side now, better for you and for others. Oh, that was last lecture I'm giving the child. Almost and always there. Yes, sir. It's like this. Yeah. Your exam started. Always come late only. Very late. You know, walking your how it comes. Car on side. Why give late for the meeting? You are coming late. Where is Janvi? Nowadays is not this one. Maybe that was the wrong.
Other side of the school.
Okay now. Yeah, sit down all of you. Homework are done all of you?
Yes.
Yeah, when? Beauty. The beauty mark you got finally? Yes. Who got 60 on 60? Sir, one less. Those who got 56 above, please come. 56 above.
I didn't get.
Where is Sidra?
Oh my.
Yeah. Very good. Yeah. 50 above. Really nice. 55. 55. 54. 51. 50. Okay, who is 50? You are the 50. Late attempt, no.
What? I gave on Saturday.
So what? Late attempt, so Saturday means what? So before attempt.
No.
Sunday was the test.
Last
One week.
I didn't get time. I was sick.
Late attempt is not considered.
I was sleeping that
Okay. Yeah. Actually, you are happy with the victory. Yeah. Okay. So your target is 100% now. But this is what progression was not there in the chapter. No? You used to get 15 or 15. This is progression. In some time, yeah, sit down. Almeri, I don't want to ask her. Yeah, please tell me you got. Will you appear? Listen, let's these 3 chapters are done, all of you.
Yes,
sir. Done.
Yes, sir.
Properly done.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Any question, anytime you solve it. Huh?
What is the difference between? Oh, are you not? Okay. What is the difference between figures and decimals?
Significant figures and decimals. Yeah. This number is given now.
Yes, sir.
Write 3 significant figures. Also now 3 hands. Answer in SP.
3.5.
Huh? 3 significant figures.
3.5.
Point it.
3.5.
This is called the 3 significant figures. This value is a significant value. This has a value. This is a word with again. Round to 2 place. Now round off. Now add it between individuals. Okay. 3 significant figures. 3 significant figures. 0.548. Understood or not?
No.
Now.
5.
We need 3 values, the 3 digits which has a real value. 0 does not have a value here. Okay. 5 has a value, this has a value, this one. Round up to that place. Okay. Round up to 3 place. Same. If I take which one? 3 significant places. 3.55. Round up to 3 places of
3.54.
3.54. What are the difference?
Yes, sir.
Okay now. Okay, so that is how we do it. Now we are this one doing which one?
Section.
Section midpoint formula. No, completed.
No.
So P.
Just
What happened? Yeah. Why you do? There are a lot of pages on there. Okay. Yeah. Exercise 13.2 done. How many questions are done? Today we have to complete this one. Three is done now. I don't need. Third first one is done. Yes, Gayatri standard. What is it? Either you come regularly and study. No, I am not taking that seriously. Sit down. Yes, sir. Yeah. Arjit, you are present in last class. Why? Sit down. Yes. This is sandwich standard. Read the three second part we are not done now. Read question is what?
Given M is midpoint of AB, find the coordinates of P if A is equal to 3, minus 1.
Read the second part.
Yes,
A is
3, minus 1.
okay.
And M is minus 1, 3.
Minus 1, 3. We have to find out B. Okay. So what all values are there? M is the let's tell now what all values are there. Midpoint. So tell you know the midpoint formula now. So what all values we have?
X1 plus X.
X1.
X1.
This is X1 by 1. Yes or no? This is what?
X and Y.
X comma Y. We have to find out what?
X2 Y.
X2 Y2. So right, substitute the X is equal to X1 plus X2 by 2 and Y is equal to replace. So what later? Minus 1 is equal to tell.
3 plus X2
And
Y is equal to
Y value 3 is equal to
Y1 plus Y2. So it is not there.
so Y1 value tell na minus 1
Minus 3 plus
Y2 divided by 2. Cross multiply this one first is
minus 2 is equal to 3 plus X.
therefore X2 is equal to
X is equal to
minus 5 and
6
6 is equal to
minus 1 plus
Y2 is
5.
equal
7
to
is equal to Y.
Y2 is equal 7 is equal. Therefore coordinate of B is minus 5 comma 7. Sit down. Hope all of you are following. Pushkaraj, are you doing the sum? Completed all of you?
Yes.
No,
Okay, Gauri, stand up. Don't it's a 10 then. Read the next question.
The given figure P 4, 2 is the midpoint of line segment AB. Find the coordinates of A and B.
So P is which one?
4, 2.
4, 2 is the midpoint.
A is on x-axis.
A is on x-axis. So how do you take the point A? X1, 0. And B is on.
Y-axis.
So
Y1, Y2, 0.
0, Y2. Okay. Now, so we will. What is the coordinate of B? X, Y now is equal to. Now we will apply the formula. X is equal to X1 plus X2. Y2. Y is equal to Y1 plus Y2. Y2. Substitute. You will get. You already explained. He is not telling me. I am writing everything. 4 is equal to X1 plus 0 by 2. 8 is equal to x1. Then 2 is equal to 0 plus y2 divided by 2. 4 is equal to y2. Therefore, coordinate of A is what? 8, 0. Coordinate of B 0, 4. This is the thing you have to find out, Gauri.
Yes.
You did not give the answer, okay? I was expecting you will give the answer. Pratham has done. Hello, you stand up there. Where is your body?
Then I'm.
This is the last class, I said. There also no volume. Then I said, no, take the page rocks at least. Yes, completed all of it. And still attendance sheet is there. Nishta, what are you doing with the attendance sheet?
Sir, why X?
If the A is where, did you check the question?
It's on that.
B is on y-axis. Not forward, tell me, because these all questions you should know directly, you have to do it now. X-axis, y-axis. Pratham, read the next question.
Minus 5, 2.
Huh?
Yes.
Tell.
Minus 5, 2. 3, minus 6 and 7, 4 are the vertices of the triangle.
7, 4. Okay.
Find the length of all its medians.
Length. Naman. Yeah, Mahil is talking. Who? Pushkaraj. Yeah. Nobody is talking, na? So draw the rough figure ABC. Minus 5, 2. 3, minus 6. C is 7, 4. What do you have to find out?
All the lengths.
Pratham, others be quiet. Yes, what do you find out? Length of all the medians. How will you find out?
Sir,
What do you mean by median?
Sir, a line joining from vertex to the midpoint.
Vertex to the midpoint. So you have to find out the midpoint. What are the midpoints? Let's say D, E, and F. After finding, you have to apply the distance formula.
So,
You know, one of them, all of you will do yourself. So how will you find out D?
sir, that
X1 plus X2 divided by 2. Attendance sheet, give it back. And Y1. Y1 plus Y2 divided by 2. So put the value, what is D is equal to 3 plus 7 divided by 2, comma, minus 6
plus 4 divided
answer
10 pi and minus 5.
minus 1. Okay, all of you find out E and F. Sit down, sit down. All of you find out the coordinate of E, coordinate of F. They are the midpoint. No, Amna is absent. Armstrong is up. Yeah. Find out E and F midpoint formula. Directly apply the forms. E is the midpoint of they need this x1, this y1, x2, y2. For E, x1, y, x2, y. Yeah. Don't take x1, y directly. Okay. Each and every case is keeping x1, y, x2, y. And you're waiting me to come over here, then only start writing. You read? Here that we got the length of 80 found out. What is the coordinate of E you got? Huh? Minus 1. E is the midpoint of A. E and got it now?
Yes.
E means again midpoint minus 5 plus 7 by 2. Then 2 plus 4 divided by 2. That is E is equal to 1 comma 3. Then F, same method.
-5
Here you don't shout.
plus
2 minus 6 by 2. What is Bilal got? Minus 1 minus 2. Yes or no? Okay, Bilal, tell me how you find AD.
AD.
Yes, all be quiet and do. Doesn't know. Yes, distance formula. AD is here 5 comma minus 1. So AD distance formula root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Apply root of 5 minus 5, 5 plus 5 plus minus 1 minus 2. Root of 100 plus 9, 109. So then after that, all of you find out BE and CF, the same method. You only mark the threshold values. Centroid. Check the question, not you know. Centroid directly can have formula now. Find out all of you. Centroid if you need, you don't need to do anything directly. What happens, Sophie? Distance formula apply for B. This is B and E is given. Mark the values 1 comma 3 and this is minus 1 minus 2. With that, completed. Priyanshu completed.
Yes.
Or where is he gone?
Yes. Done.
Yes. What is the coordinate of this one minus 2? Yeah. None all of you? Yes. Completed Akanksha. What is the value of BE you got? Root 84. 85. 1 minus 3 whole square plus 3 plus 6 whole square. That is equal to minus 2 whole square is 4 plus 9 square is coming as
81.
Cannot be simplified. Okay. Then
Sir, if we leave item, then it is right.
you cannot simplify now. What you can simplify? 85, 17 into 5 would be enough. If it is, you can had it been 84, you can do 4 2 root. Okay, understood? Yes. Om, you got what is the value of CF? Go back. So CF also did not do 7 plus 1 the whole square, 4 plus 2 the whole square, root of 8 square plus 6 square. That is equal to root of 100
Plus 36. 61.
completed. What's the answer?
Centimeter.
What centimeter?
Unit.
There is any unit, no units, square units.
Sorry.
Okay. Yeah. Next. Question next one. This is question number which one we have done? 5. Sixth one. You mean Read the next question and explain.
A is
All of
5.
A is 2. Yeah, quiet, all of you.
A is 2,5, B is 1,0, and C is -4,3, and D -3,8 are the vertices of quadrilateral ABCD. Find the coordinates of the midpoints of AC and BD. Give a special name to the quadrilateral.
So you have to find out the midpoint of AC and BD. Okay, what is A?
Minus
2,5.
2,5.
2,5. Naomi, what is C?
C is -4.
-4,3. All of you find the midpoint of AC and BD. Tell.
B is
Your then what is the question?
B is 1.
Midpoint of AC. What is it? X formula x1 plus x2 divided by 2 y1 plus y2 divided by 2. That is equal to 2 minus 4 by 2. 5 plus 3 divided by 2. That is equal to -1, 4.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
What is the B? Dilal, what is B and D?
B and D. B is equals to 1,0.
Okay, D
-3,8.
-3,8. So midpoint of BD. Dilal.
X1 plus X2.
All of you be quiet now. You could the wrong number call means you cannot switch off the phone and keep. So wrong number it will ring now. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, all of you be quiet now. Do the question. Bilal, I'm waiting for you to answer.
1 minus 3 upon 2,
Midpoint.
comma 0 plus 8 upon 2 is equals to -1 and 4.
Midpoint is same.
Yeah, all of you completed this one.
Yeah.
So you got both the midpoints the same now.
Yes.
Right. Listen. Midpoint of AC and midpoint of BD are same. Midpoint of AC and midpoint of BD are same. Therefore, diagonals bisect each other. Midpoint of AC and midpoint of BD are same. Therefore, diagonals bisect each other. Therefore, ABCD is a parallelogram. Diagonals bisect each other. Any portion figure is called a quadrilateral. In quadrilateral, different parallelogram, rectangle, trapezium, this one. Look here. Listen. It's listen carefully this question. They have specifically asked what is the midpoint. That is why we concluded it's this one. It's a parallelogram. It can be a rectangle also. It can be a square also. It can be a rhombus also. That I will tell how now. Okay. Here. Rectangle, rhombus, square. All of them are parallelograms. Okay. Additional property. How to identify? Suppose if the question was identify the type of the quadrilateral. Means how to identify whether it's a quadrilateral is a parallelogram? See the method is done midpoint. How will you identify whether it's a rectangle? How to identify it's a rectangle? Opposite side parallelogram also opposite sides equal. Diagonals are equal. Parallelogram with diagonals equal, then it is called a rectangle. How will you identify whether it is a rhombus?
All sides.
All sides are equal.
Yes.
Diagonals bisect at 90 degree. Okay. 90 degree means you have the Pythagorean property you have. Instead of that one, all sides we find out. And how will you identify whether it's a square?
Sir,
All sides are equal. Also diagonals equal. All that diagonals you can prove this way. To prove it is a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other, midpoints equal. Next one. Prove it is a next rectangle. You prove parallelogram with diagonals equal. Prove it is a rhombus means all sides equal. Prove with a square means all sides equal and diagonals equal. Remember these conditions. Okay. Question, that is a question number which one we are done. 6 is done. 7th question. Then we read. All others be quiet. Priyanshu. 2 days you have been quiet. Means then is coming always. Yeah. Feeling sleepy. Yeah. Okay. Read. A.
A minus 1 comma 0, B 1 comma 3, and B 3 comma 5, then are vertices of parallelogram ABCD.
So that is given, it's a parallelogram, isn't it? So I draw a parallelogram. Okay, tell me what is A? Minus 1 0. B
1 comma 3.
1 comma 3. C D
33 comma
3 comma
5.
5. Let's say I take this as small n comma p. X comma y, lot of places to apply. So you have to find out coordinate of 3. Yes, can you? Then we any apply, tell whatever the way. Parallelogram's property, you know. What is it? If you know, tell fast. Breathe. Property of parallelogram.
The lines are parallel.
Oh, parallel we have to not apply now. Opposite sides are equal. Distance of all of you have the knobs. Opposite sides are equal now. That means AB is equal to CD and AD equal to BC. Don't go that property. Listen, if you go with that property, you will be getting the equation squares and all A square and B square you'll get. Okay, it's a complicated form. Just now we applied the property. Diagonals. In a parallelogram, the diagonals bisect each other. Means midpoint of AC and midpoint of BD are same. So find out midpoint of AC, find the midpoint of BD. Equate both of them. Are you followed or not? Okay, so figure is drawn. Figure is drawn. Now write. Now what is the
Finding midpoint of AB which will be equal to midpoint of AC.
that only I said na. Midpoint of AC is same as midpoint of BD. Then what will do?
So you will find midpoint of
Without midpoint you can. Right. Diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Therefore, diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Therefore, midpoint of AC and midpoint of BD are same. Midpoint of AC and midpoint of BD are same. Now below, midpoint of AC is equal to formula applied. Once you write the formula.
So why to find midpoint for AC directly? Find for DB now.
Yes, sir.
But AC you will not find. Without AC you will find out. Not tell me. Do you do it and show to me? Minus 1 plus A divided by 2. Comma 0 plus B divided by 2. This is what midpoint of AC. You do it and show to me. I am waiting. Don't copy from me. Midpoint. Next is midpoint of BD. Pratham, do your 1 plus 3 divided by 2, comma 3 plus 5 divided by 2. That is same as how much? 4 by 2, 2 comma 4. So equate. Therefore, minus 1 plus A by 2, comma B by 2 is equal to 2 comma 4. Equate and get the value.
Yeah, it will.
X coordinate will be equated to X now. Minus 1. Minus 1 plus A equal to 4. A is equal to 5. B is equal to 8. Therefore, coordinate 5 comma. Priyanshi, sorry, Priyanshi. Ajay, Priyanshi is in the other class. One. Huh? Okay, you did got the answer. Without finding midpoint of AC, you'll find out now. Or what did you do? Now explain. Explain now. That means a different method. Tell the method, let others also know. No. It's shortcut method, let me hear. Are they saying? So 5 comma 8, all of you followed?
Yes.
Find the midpoint of AC, find the midpoint of BD, compare. Okay, comparison means x coordinate equal to x coordinate, y coordinate equal to y coordinate. That's it. So, beginning you wrote now, midpoint of AC and BD are same you wrote now. Okay, that's it. Followed. Distant formula, if you're going to apply, it's complicated form. Okay, so don't do it. Question not done. Okay. Discuss question number which one? 7. Over. Exercise over.
No,
We are waiting now for your answer. And then what you said, this is not the way. Some other way you
Also this.
also. Also. I tell you, method. Let us all hear. Equal. What difference? So you tell the difference that you
Identity minus 1 plus 3 by 2.
huh?
Identity minus 3 plus 1 by 2.
Minus what do you do?
Anything, same.
Sir.
Yeah. Next, read the next question. Okay. I'll give this minus 1. That's minus. Be quiet. Read the next question.
Minus E Q minus 2 B and R here. If Q lies between P and R such that PR is equal to QR, calculate the value of P and
Explain.
B.
First of all, collinear means what? Same line. So, where is P? In between, again, discussions are going on there. Yeah. Points. What? Where is P? Position of PQR is given now. What is the position is given? Close that curtain. That this one. No. Okay. No.
That's okay.
Arya, Priyanshu, today, what is the problem for you? You turn this side. Yeah. Here. So what is the condition is given? Q is between Q between. Then what is the condition is given? Pushkaraj, stand up. Bring a notebook here. Bring a notebook here. Stand up from there. Bring a notebook. Hello. What discussion going on? Huh? Who removed? Who opened that curtain? Yeah.
Yeah.
What's behind? Okay. Yeah. Then.
Here is equal to 2 QR.
So then, how do you do that? You got the P, Q, R in there now. What is P, Q, and R?
E is A comma minus 4.
A comma minus 4.
Q is minus 2 comma
Minus 2 comma
P.
B.
And R is 0 comma.
So then 0 comma 2. Then how do you do it?
Distance
Huh? You will find out distance formula. Distance formula is don't do distance formula. Distance. Wait now. Let her explain now. You want to explain after that? You, those who wanted to do your own method, do it and show. Okay, look here. Distance formula, if you are going to apply, you will find out PQQR. Squares will come. And it cannot be simplified. Simplified means complicated form. If you want this, what is the condition given? P. PR is equal to 2QR means Q is the midpoint of PR. Apply midpoint formula. Are you followed?
Yes.
Once again I tell you, PR is 2QR. Otherwise, if you want to do, had it been if it was this way, 3QR. Then you will write as PR upon QR is equal to 3 upon 1. Then make the section formula form. Okay. Make it, then ratio you have to find out this one. In this case, it is 2QR means directly you write what is it? Q is the midpoint of P and R. That you can do, all of you. This is x1 y1, x2 y2, sorry, xy and x2 y2. All of you can do it. This you will do yourself. Sit down. All of you followed. Pratham, what you wanted to tell? You want to do distance formula? Do by distance formula and tell. What happened? Who has the problem? His problem will tell now. What is your problem? What is your problem? Tell fast. Problem? No problem. Okay. Please. Yeah. Question this will do yourself. This will question number which one? Okay. 9. Sophie, stand up. Bring your notebook here. Bring your notebook. Come here. Go to the side. Ready here. You will go to my class and next class your parents will come out. Come here. Come on. Volume, she doesn't need any volumes at all. What happened? You are okay? Hello? What happened? You are a small baby or what? It will be a permanent thing, okay? Hello? And here, listen here. I should see every day first bench.
Okay.
Now, take next question number. Which one? Do you know? What? Did you read the question? Okay, what is the question?
Find the values of A and B.
What is about P and Q is given, PQR is given?
PQR are points on a line.
So their collinear is given, this much you have followed. Then this, look here. Yeah. In between, I don't need all comments to pass over here. Now, Q, this one, PR is equal to 2 times QR. So that means that this is a Q is the midpoint. Then apply midpoint formula. Mehul, do you know what is midpoint formula? Yes, sir. Stand up. What is section formula?
Section formula. X2 plus y1 by 2.
Pratham, stand up. Yeah. So write all the formula.
25.
Yeah. Sit down. Yeah. All right. 30. Why do people have to do think about other problems? Yeah. Next question. Question number which one? 9. Yes. Read the question and explain.
The coordinates of the center of a triangle PQR are 2, -5. If Q is equal to -6, 5 and R is equal to 11, 8, calculate the coordinates of vertex Q.
All of you draw the figure and mark the centroid. Well, yes, what is the centroid formula?
X is equal to x plus x plus x upon 2 upon 3 x by.
So make the triangle, sit down. All of you make the triangle and mark the centroid. PQR now. Yes, what is the coordinate of E?
We have to find the coordinate.
Okay, A comma B. Then
Q is minus 6 comma
minus 6 comma
5,
5. And this R
11 comma 8.
11 comma 8. Let's say G is the centroid. What is the
2 comma minus 5.
2 comma minus 5. You can write this is x1, y1. Sit down. x2, y2, x3, y3. And this is xy. The relation all of you know. Rudra, what is the centroid formula? Do you know? Yes, Shabdul. X is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. And y is equal to y1 plus all. I only Shabdul to give, others no need to give. So substitute the values and find out. All the values substitute and get the value of x substitute, y substitute, remaining value substitute. X value substitute all values. X1 is replaced as A, y1 is replaced as B. Remaining all values you have. Completed.
No, sir. Yes.
2 is equal to A minus 6 plus 11 by 3. Second one, minus 5 is equal to B plus 5 plus 8 by 3. It's a simplification. 6 is equal to A plus 5. A is equal to 1, 6 minus 5 is equal to A. Or A is equal to 1. Same way, minus 50, B plus 30. How much? Minus 50, minus 30
28.
is equal to B. B is equal to minus 28. Therefore, coordinate of A is 1 comma minus 28. Seriously do the work. These are simple ones only. Unless we don't create trouble over here and have fun and go. Yeah. So this is question number which one? 9th one. You're talking. I'm seeing they are talking. You cannot see, no? Oh. Okay, then read the next question and explain. Tell Priyanshu, you do not explain the question, no? Did you explain? Read the question and explain, Priyanshu.
The midpoint of line segment joining.
You can sit down. Okay.
The midpoint of the line segment joining 2a, 4 and minus 2, 2 is 1, 2a plus 1. Find the values of a and b.
So you have to, so there is a line segment is there, so I'll take the line segment and there is a midpoint, isn't it? Okay, let's say A, B and C is the midpoint. What is the coordinate of A?
Minus 2, 2a, 4.
2A, 4. What is the coordinate of B?
Minus 2, b.
Minus 2, B. What is the coordinate? Minus 2,
2b. There are only 2.
Yeah, you said no. Okay, then coordinate of C?
1, 2a plus 1.
2A plus 1. You have to apply midpoint formula and get the answer now. Come here. C is the first step you will write. C is the midpoint of AB. Then apply midpoint formula and do it. X is equal to, first you write the formula. You know that will no need to write, just directly write formula and substitute. All of those are not followed. C is the midpoint of AB. Right, applies the midpoint formula. And these are written now, not this one. X is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. Replace the values. First value simplify and get the value answer. Is equal to A is equal to 2. So you can replace the value of A. Then minus 4. What is written out there? So you have to find out the value of A and B only.
Yes.
What are the values of A and B got? A is equal to 2 and B is equal to? Completed all of you? Peter, what's your volume? Yes, hello? You're right.
Yes. No.
P. Who is asking? Represent on the number line. P is equal to minus 2 less than x less than or equal to 4. First is P union Q, second is Q minus P, third P intersection Q dash, and the fourth one is P dash intersection Q. Represent all the four on the number line. Yeah, you have Bilal.
Yes.
You don't need to do quietly, you just sit quietly. So you really are talking. Coffee, it is for you also. Hmm. Completed. Because you are looking at here. Q minus P is Q minus P. Letter capital. This is Q minus subtraction. Second question I will tell. Those who don't know, you can do it. Second question, monthly installment, maturity value, rate of interest. You have to find out N as well as equivalent principal to for 1 month. I will tell find N, return find N and equivalent principal for 1 month. N and equivalent principal for 1 month. What is it? Because of this unmedial. Yes, next to you, she doesn't tell anything. You make all. Those who don't know the first question, at least do the second one. The Indian English, we are expert. Feeling what now? Questions are taken from Selena. After that, when solution is, then after that you give the page. So there is no answer on example. Exercise questions are there. Hello? Yes. Yeah, done. Huh? This one. Q the complement. First time hearing. Complement. A complement, B complement. What did you tell Rudra? Teacher also said I am not capable of giving one. Priyanshu, it's the 4th time I am calling you today. I did not talk. Okay, I will. Next, third question. Done. Second one, find the value of N and equivalent principal for 1 month. Find the value of N and equivalent principal for 1 month. Can you start it easy? Those who prepared and come with the time long back, it's over to complete this one.
Second part.
Huh?
Second part.
Equivalent principle for 1 month. Equivalent principle for 1 month. Good. I will tell you not fancy. Time over. In fact, find n, one by one person I have to tell find n and equivalent principle for 1 month. First you got, yes. First one, all the 4 parts you got.
So I don't see that.
Yeah. It's only waste of time only going on, no? No. I am solving, that solving I am hearing. These are 2 questions are there at the time. Already 15 minutes are over. Yeah. Stop talking now. Now listen here. How many of you got P minus Q? Sorry, P union Q who got? Devesh, what is your answer? Minus 2 less than x less than 8. Okay? Yes. Yeah. That number line you know how to make. Yeah. How many of you got Q minus P? What is it? It's called Q minus. Okay. Q minus P.
4 lesser than x lesser than 8.
4 less than x less than 8. Enough now. No, it's enough. When it is 5 is coming, if it is integers coming, this one between 4 and 5 no real number. Only 4 is excluded after for everything. Okay, 4 less than those who wrote 5 will not get. Now, these two. What is the meaning of P intersection Q dash? Is equal to P minus
P minus Q.
and P dash intersection Q.
Q minus P.
Okay, now listen.
10.
Read what the value of n you got?
10 months.
N is equal to 10 months. Equivalent principle for 1 month. Those who don't know, the formula is P into n into n plus 1 upon 2.
Upon 2.
I got 10.
This is the equivalent principle for 1 month. Okay. Hello. What is your formula? You remember I is equal to PRT upon 100. R and 100 is gone. Time is divided by 12. 1 by 12. What is the left out? That is P into n into n plus 1 by 2. That is called the equivalent principle for 1 month. You got n is equal to how much? 10. So 10 into 11 into how much? 1200. That means 600 into 20. Look here. These are questions you think how much you are prepared. These are questions I will show you the questions are there. Exercise only I just taken. One was all exercise. One of the same question is there in this textbook. I not changed even any digit. Nothing has been changed. So please go through this one. Please study. This way of studying means it's not enough. Not, you will not get always direct, simply direct. There are complicated questions will be there. Yeah, lesson, next class, this is question, next class when you are coming, you will revise the chapter. Lessons. I will tell the chapter, I will tell the chapter now. You will do one chapter, that is triangles. Yeah. Clarity.
Just